Hello everyone, welcome to BioBoard classes. Today we are going to study about human eye, an incredible organ that allows us to see the world around us. Let's dive in. The human eye is one of the most precious and sensitive sense organs. It allows us to see the amazing world around us full of shapes, colors and motion. We see objects because light bounces off them and then this light enters our eye. Light enters our eye through a clear curved layer at the front called cornea. This is the outermost layer protecting the eye and helping it to focus light. Cornea plays a major role in bending or refracting the light rays. The eyeball itself is roughly spherical and about 2.3 centimeter in diameter. Then after cornea, behind the cornea, there is colored part known as iris, and this is responsible for different eye colors in different people. It is a muscular structure that adjusts the size of opening in the center known as pupil. The pupil controls how much light enters the eye. It widens in the dim light and it narrows in the bright light. After passing through the pupil, light enters the crystalline lens. This lens makes fine adjustments to focus objects clearly, whether they are near or far. The ciliary muscles here are tiny muscles in the eye that help us focus on objects at different distances. They are attached to the eye lenses and control its shape. When we look at something near, these muscles contract, making the lens thicker so that its focusing power is increased, and when we look at something far away these muscles relax, making the lens thinner so that it can focus on distant objects. This process is known as accommodation. This process is known as accommodation. Okay, and it is what allows us to shift smoothly between near and far objects. Lens focuses then light onto the retina, which allows us to see clearly. The image formed on the retina is real and inverted. The retina itself is made up of million light sensitive cells known as rod and cones, and this retina is thin delicate membrane at the back of the eye, and these cells convert light into electrical signals. Okay, then these signals travel to the brain via optic nerve. The optic nerve sends the signal from the retina to the brain where they are processed as images. The brain then processes these signals and flips the image right way up so that we understand and recognize what we are seeing. Inside our eye, there are two clear jelly-like or watery fluids that help maintain its shape and function. First is aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is clear watery fluid found in the front part of the eye between cornea and lens, and its function is to provide nutrients to lens and cornea because they don't have their own blood supply, and it also helps in maintaining eye pressure and keeping it healthy. Second is vitreous humor. It is more thicker jelly-like substance that fills the larger space behind the lens all the way up to retina. It helps in keeping the eye its round shape. So to sum it up, when you look at something, light enters through the cornea and passes through the pupil and gets focused by the lens onto the retina, and the retina sends the signal to the brain via optic nerve, and that's how we see. In short, our eyes are incredible organs that not only let us see but also help us connect with the world in a meaningful way. So that's a quick look at how our eyes work. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to understand biology explanation at BioBoard classes. Thank you.